Hello there guys, I'm playing Bed Wars guys. So I'm gonna click it and wait. Hmm. Okay. I'm here with Bed Wars. So guys, let's oh why Preston heads here? Preston play. So guys, we're gonna wait this as next. So there we go. See that loading. So guys, if check my old video, if you like, please like them all. Come on. Oh, it's VIP, but it's gonna T. There's T is two teams. 4B 4 4B4. Come on. It's two. Come on. If this is 8 by 1, that is that's a that's a all over all 1v1 all. You're gonna fight them all and become a victory. So this is AG. The Skywars is not Skywars at all. So I'm gonna say hi what team I am. I'm orange. I want green. I want green because I want to be a unspeakable gaming boy. Woo! So let's parkour first. So guys, wait. If you want to wait, please don't be no. Oh, I won. I am the only person in here. I am the only person in orange. Sorry. So guys, please do this. Please turn on all. Please turn on the notification. Guys, please turn that on. Oh my god. And gonna watch all my video if you want to. Set. Oh, there's a trolling here. Oh my god. Come on, it's 30 seconds. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we are 4? Why? So okay, like that. So wow, T. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are 4 now. To grab this, say I'm gonna say, please don't put that right on the bed. Put the stone and down. So need to grab the iron. iron ingot. So we got a one. So guys, this is so this game is have a bug. You see that, guys? I can see anything, but then see. Hey, why they do that to Abe? Come on. I said don't put clay. Come on. Oh, what? So lag. Okay. Oh. My team is so not good to play. What? Give me. Yeah. One more. One more, please. Okay. So let's buy blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and need pickaxe. Nope. 1. Okay, so I'm gonna break this. Said don't put clay on it. Come on. It, oh, I know how to get that. There's the chest. I need to buy. Give me. So, can I buy some wood? Feed more blocks. Need that. One iron toys, one iron. One iron. Please. Please. Okay. Excuse me.